Hi, this video demonstrates how to check whether a given point in a two-dimensional is an origin or not. If a point is origin, both its x and y value will be 0. On the screen, you can see the left hand side is the Java code for checking whether a point is origin or not. This program basically consists of two classes, point and a driver class. Inside the driver class, I am going to create two objects of the point class named P and Q. P is initialized to a location 4,7, whereas second object Q is initialized to 0, 0. So in this cases, first case, I am going to call parameterized constructor, and for the second object Q, I am going to call the default constructor. So when you are creating the first object P, the call goes to this parameterized constructor. In this case, x value is initialized to 4 and y value is initialized to 7. And when you are creating the second object using default constructor, this constructor will get invoked and both x and y values are initialized to 0. So if you want to see how many classes are there, click the class diagram here. It's showing you have two classes, point and driver. Inside the point class, there are two variables, x and y, followed by the point class containing many methods. One of the methods in the point class is isOrigin. By using isOrigin, we are checking whether that point is an origin or not. And there is another class known as driver containing main method. It is the starting point of the program execution. So if you want to see how this program is executing, click the class diagram. Then after that, clicking the next. It's showing that driver class is initialized and the method main is invoked. In the main, first we are going to create first object of the point class is known as P, and we are initializing it with the value 4 and 7. Now the call is go to the parameterized constructor. It is indicated by this blue color arrow. Then first we are initializing x value as 4, then we are initializing y value as 7. Then the call will go back to the main method. Now it's checking whether this point P is origin. So I am calling isOrigin function using P. So after that, the call will comes here. Inside it is checking whether the x value of this object is 0 and y value of object is 0. So in our cases, both values are not 0, so it will return false, and it is displaying false. After that, I again going to create another object Q. So again an object is created. So you can scroll down this one. So here both x and y is initialized to 0 by using default constructor. Then I am going to call isOrigin function on this object Q. So it's checking whether both x and y values are same. So in this cases, both values are 0. So as a result, it is saying that the second object is origin. That's why it's returning true. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.